The dictionary sued a tech company. That sentence is real, and we should sit with it. Merriam-Webster and Encyclopedia Britannica filed a lawsuit against OpenAI, claiming ChatGPT memorized and regurgitated nearly 100,000 of their copyrighted articles. Not inspired by, not summarized from, memorized, word for word. The allegation is that OpenAI essentially photocopied the internet's most trusted reference sources and built a product that competes directly with them. And here's the thing, Britannica has been around since 1768. It survived the printing press, the Industrial Revolution, Wikipedia eating its lunch. Now it's fighting an AI that learned everything from it and forgot to say thank you. The real question isn't whether OpenAI trained on this data. Everyone assumes they did. The question is what happens when the most comprehensive knowledge bases in history become training fuel for their own replacement. We're watching knowledge institutions fight for survival in real time. And honestly, so am I.